This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Hey Google on your Android phone. So just go to the top right and swipe on down and go to Settings. So scroll on down and look for Google. It might be at the top for your phone. On Samsung, it's down here a little bit more. Here's Google Services. Tap this. Then go to All Services and wait for this to load. It might take a few seconds if you have a slow Samsung phone. So scroll on down, and we're looking for Search Assistant and Voice. Go to this option, and tap this. One more time. And under here, we can go to Gemini. Go to Gemini. And when you go to Gemini, there's an option under here, Talk to Gemini hands-free. And we just have to turn this on. And when you turn it on now, you have to match your voice. And this will make you read like 5 sentences. And once you have this set up, all you have to do is go say, Hey Google. And it should pop open on your phone if it has your voice matched. And it didn't do anything on mine. Let's do it one more time. Hey Google. And see if it works. So you might have to set it up. And this works on my phone most of the time, but for some reason it didn't on that one now. But it worked on this phone. It's talking in my pocket. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.